Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the SSL pending error when connecting a custom domain. If you just linked your domain, this message appears because it can take up to 48 hours for Shopify to activate the SSL certificate. Make sure you have correctly added your DNS records. These should match Shopify's required N and CNAME records shown in their help center. If those are set correctly, just be patient. SSL status usually changes from pending to active within 48 hours. If it takes longer, contact Shopify's live support. Just Google Shopify live support like this here and click on the first link, contact Shopify support. Once you are logged in, you are able to chat with an agent who can manually check your domain and SSL setup. That's it. Be sure to subscribe for more Shopify troubleshooting tips.